friends, if you like the channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For creamy chicken pasta, following are the ingredients. I'm using this packet of pasta. I've got oil, salt to taste. The very first thing I will do is boil the pasta, and I will add water into this pot here, and I will add oil into it and a little bit of salt. I'm adding oil so that the pasta turns out nice and soft and doesn't stick. Now I will boil it. Once the pasta is boiled, I will drain the water. For my pasta, chicken pasta, I've got curry leaves, some rosemary seeds, and I've got oil, seasoning salt, pasta sauce, salt to taste, onions, ginger garlic paste, some cilantro. Once the pasta is boiled, I'm going to fry it in oil with some seasoning salt. If you have spring onions, you can also add it now to this. So now my pasta is done. I'm now going to prepare my chicken. For that I'm using a non-stick pan. I'm frying the onions with the chicken, and I've added the oil. I have added some black pepper into it, salt, some seasoning salt also, and rosemary. I've added a little bit of curry leaves to it as well. It's an option, I like it. So for the aroma I have. Once the chicken is fried, I will be adding the pasta sauce to it. Now cream cheese is an option. You can eat it plain, but I like cream cheese. Some people prefer putting the cheese on top of it. Whatever you like, you can add on. I'm using cream cheese for this because I want it to be creamy. So now the sauce is ready. Please use a lid for this recipe because if not, the sauce will be all over the kitchen countertop, even on your floors or on your face, etc. For safety, use the lid, please. So now I will be adding the cream sauce to it, and I've also, as you can see that the sauce quantity has reduced. Now I've added the cilantro to it, and you can see my creamy chicken pasta is ready. I'm not going to add pasta into the chicken sauce because I don't want it to be softened. I prefer to serve it like this. Hope you like the recipe. Please do subscribe. Thank you.